Hello, my sweet viewer. Welcome back to my channel. Today, a tragic thing happened to me. It started with a small stomachache, but it didn't stay small. Let's go further to find out. It started so quietly, almost like a tiny whisper in my belly. Just a small, simple stomachache. I didn't think it was serious. Maybe I ate too much at dinner, or maybe the curry was a little spicier than usual. So, I just drank some water and went to bed early. I told myself, it will go away after a good night's sleep. I believed everything would be fine by morning. But the next morning, the whisper had turned into a scream. The pain was sharp and strong. It felt like someone was twisting and squeezing my stomach from the inside. I curled up in bed, holding my belly tightly. Soft groans escaped my mouth as I tried not to cry. A cold wave of fear rushed through me. This was not just a normal stomachache anymore. My voice trembled as I whispered to myself, "Oh no, I really need a doctor." My best friend, Emma, always knows when something is wrong. That morning, she knocked on my door and peeked inside. When she saw me, her eyes filled with worry. "You look so pale," she said softly. I tried to smile, but my lips trembled. I don't feel okay, Emma," I said weakly. "Please, can you take me to the clinic?" Emma didn't waste a second. She grabbed her bag and came to my side. Her hand was warm and steady as she held mine. "Don't worry," she said gently. "I'm right here. You are not alone." Her words gave me a little courage. Even though I felt weak, I managed to sit up and go with her. At the clinic, everything felt blurry and unreal. The bright lights hurt my eyes. The smell of medicine filled the air. Emma stayed beside me, holding my hand tightly. "Just breathe," she whispered. "You'll be okay." The doctor was calm and kind. She asked me questions in a gentle voice. "How long have you had this pain?" she asked. "Since last night," I whispered. She nodded and listened carefully. Then she pressed gently on my stomach to check. I winced and held my breath. Emma stood next to me the whole time, giving me strength. Finally, the doctor smiled softly. "You have a stomach infection," she said. My heart skipped a beat. But then she continued, "Don't worry. This is very common. Sometimes we eat food that isn't fresh, or we forget to wash our hands properly. Tiny germs can enter our stomach and cause this kind of pain." I finally understood what was wrong. And I knew I wasn't alone. The doctor gave me medicine and clear instructions. "Take this for a few days," she said. "Get plenty of rest and drink lots of water. Eat simple foods like soup or plain toast. And no spicy food until you are fully better." Emma helped me home. She stayed with me every day while I recovered. She cooked soft, healthy meals and reminded me to take my medicine. Slowly, the pain began to fade. Each day, I felt a little stronger. After a week, the pain was completely gone. I felt like myself again. That experience taught me an important lesson. Sometimes a small stomachache can be more serious than it seems. I promised myself I would always listen to my body. And I learned something even bigger. Asking for help is never weakness. I will always be grateful to Emma for standing by my side. Because of her, I wasn't just healed on the outside. My heart felt stronger too. Take care of your health, and listen to your body. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. Thanks for watching.